Here's how you update the firmware in the Zoom F6. Go to the Zoom F6 section of the Zoom website, click on Support and Downloads, then download the new firmware. This will be a zip file, so you have to extract it, and once you have the extracted folder, copy the .bin file. Paste it on an SD card that you plan on putting into the Zoom F6. Now take the SD card, put it into the Zoom F6, and press the power and the play button at the same time. Now when it prompts you to update, hit update and it will process the update. Once it's done, turn off the Zoom F6 and turn it back on. On startup, it shows you the version of the firmware that is installed into the Zoom F6. If you're interested in any more Zoom F6 stuff, please check out my playlist of the Zoom F6. And if you want to know more about the 2.0 update for the Zoom F6, there is a full video out right now.